In 2025, electric bikes have evolved from niche gadgets into mainstream transportation solutions, combining the efficiency of cycling with the convenience of motorized assistance. Advances in battery technology, motor performance, and frame design now allow e-bikes to cover longer distances, tackle steeper hills, and handle varied terrain with ease. Modern models integrate high-capacity lithium batteries, torque-sensing pedal assist, and intuitive controls, making them suitable for everything from urban commuting to off-road exploration. Even entry-level options deliver dependable range and smooth power delivery, while mid-tier and premium e-bikes add refined drivetrains, hydraulic brakes, and advanced suspension systems for enhanced comfort and control. In this ranking, we've selected the top electric bikes available on Amazon in 2025, focusing on real-world performance, build quality, and value, from budget-friendly commuters to high-end machines built for serious riders.
The TST Electric Bike secures 5th place with its balance of all-terrain capability and everyday usability. Its 1,500-watt peak motor delivers 90 Nm of torque, allowing it to climb slopes up to 35 degrees and reach speeds of 28 miles per hour. The 20x4.0-inch fat tires provide strong grip on sand, snow, and uneven mountain paths, while full suspension absorbs most road shock, improving comfort on rough surfaces. Dual mechanical disc brakes ensure reliable stopping, and integrated LED lighting boosts safety in low-light riding. The bike supports 3 riding modes: pure electric for throttle-only control, pedal assist for efficient long-distance travel, and traditional pedal mode for exercise or extended range. The removable 48 volts by 15 amp-hour battery offers up to 60 miles per charge, with fast charging in about 5 hours. An extended seat with rear rack increases versatility, accommodating extra passengers or cargo. While it's not the lightest or most compact option, the TST Electric Bike stands out for its versatility, comfort, and ability to handle varied terrain.
The EUY CityRank 4.0 takes 4th place for delivering a strong mix of power, range, and commuting practicality. Its 750-watt brushless motor, peaking at 1500 watts, paired with a 7-speed drivetrain, allows speeds up to 30 miles per hour and confident climbing on steep grades. The 48 volts, 20 amp-hours removable lithium-ion battery supports up to 70 miles in pedal assist mode or around 30 miles in pure electric mode, offering flexibility for both daily commuting and weekend trips. 2 charging options, on bike or direct to the battery, add convenience. Ride comfort is enhanced by dual front fork shocks, wide 20x4.0-inch puncture-resistant fat tires, and a full mechanical disc braking setup with EABS for stable stopping in varied conditions. The bike features 5 riding modes and 5 pedal assist levels, with a clear HD color LCD showing speed, battery status, and trip data. A sturdy rear rack expands cargo capacity, making it practical for errands and light touring. While it's not the lightest e-bike in its class, the CityRank 4.0 excels as a versatile, long-range option for riders who want commuter efficiency with extra power.
The WINDONE E2 secures 3rd place for blending retro-inspired design with all-terrain performance in a way few e-bikes manage. Its 750-watt brushless hub motor, peaking at 1,000 watts, pushes the bike to 28 miles per hour in pedal assist and 20 miles per hour in pure electric mode, while handling 20% gradients without strain. The removable 48-volt by 13 amp-hour battery, UL certified for safety, delivers up to 46.6 miles in PAS mode, charging in about 6 to 7 hours, and features IPX5 water resistance for added reliability. Comfort is a key strength here. A dual front fork, rear suspension, wide 20x4.0-inch fat tires, and a plush 23-inch saddle combine to smooth out uneven roads and trails. 4 ride modes, pure electric, pedal assist, exercise, and cruise control let the E2 adapt to different terrains and rider preferences. Its retro motorcycle-style frame stands out, yet the metal construction and aerodynamic shape serve practical purposes, durability, load capacity up to 330 pounds, and reduced wind resistance. While heavier than minimalist commuter e-bikes, the WINDONE E2 offers a unique balance of style, versatility, and capable off-road performance.
Designed for riders who want both raw power and complete ride readiness straight out of the box, the Xitumaoyi DM01 Pro is more than just an e-bike. It's a fully equipped high-speed machine. At its core is a 3,000-watt peak motor producing 200 Newton-meters of torque, capable of reaching 52 miles per hour and maintaining strong pull on steep inclines or challenging off-road sections. Power comes from a 60-volt, 30 Ah removable lithium battery, delivering up to 100 miles per charge in pedal assist mode, and supported by a smart BMS for long-term reliability. A built-in Type-C port adds the convenience of on-the-go device charging. Its ride quality benefits from a hydraulic front fork, dual rear shocks, and hydraulic disc brakes for precise control in all conditions. The Shimano 7-speed system and 3 selectable ride modes make it adaptable for commuting, sport riding, or casual cruising. A large backlit LCD keeps vital data visible day or night, while the included lighting kit, spoke lights, and storage bags make the DM01 Pro ready for both daylight commutes and night adventures without extra upgrades.
Topping our 2025 list is the Fiido M1 Pro, marketed under EUY's K6F Pro line, a folding electric fat tire bike that blends high power, extreme range, and serious off-road capability. Its 1,500-watt brushless motor, peaking at 2,000 watts, pushes speeds over 35 miles per hour while maintaining strong torque for steep climbs and uneven terrain. The 48-volt, 25-amp-hour integrated lithium-ion battery offers up to 100 miles per charge in optimal conditions, with the flexibility of on-bike or off-bike charging in about 6 hours. Built for durability, the 20 by 4.0-inch puncture-resistant fat tires use motorcycle-grade rubber and reinforced sidewalls, making them capable on sand, snow, mud, and rocky trails. Stopping power comes from hydraulic disc brakes with EABS, while the dual suspension system absorbs impacts for a smoother ride. An 8-speed transmission allows precise control over pedaling effort and speed. The wide saddle, lockable suspension fork, and integrated LED lighting system add comfort and safety. And the large color LCD display with USB charging keeps ride data accessible. With its foldable aluminum frame and sturdy rear rack, the Fiido M1 Pro delivers flagship-level performance without sacrificing versatility.
From rugged fat tire models built to conquer sand, snow, and mountain trails, to folding high-speed commuters designed for daily efficiency, the 2025 Amazon e-bike lineup proves just how far the category has evolved. Our ranking moved from versatile entry-level machines with balanced performance through mid-tier all-terrain bikes offering more range, power, and comfort, all the way to premium flagships delivering motorcycle-level acceleration, extended endurance, and advanced suspension systems. Whether your priority is urban commuting, weekend exploration, or tackling off-road challenges, there's a model in 2025 that fits your needs, and each one in our list was chosen for real-world capability, build quality, and rider experience. The right e-bike can completely transform how you travel, train, and explore. The only question is which one will you ride first?